Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to fix suspicious account error on Bitget. Without further ado, let's get started. If you're facing the suspicious account error on Bitget in 2025, it typically means the platform has flagged your account due to unusual activity. To resolve this, first ensure that your identity is fully verified by completing the KYC process in your account settings. Review your account for any suspicious transactions, such as unusual logins or rapid trading, and secure your account by changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication. If the issue persists, contact Bitget's support center and provide any requested documents to clarify the situation. Make sure you are compliant with Bitget's term of service, avoiding actions like using VPNs or engaging in market manipulation. After verifying your identity and resolving any issues, the platform should lift the flag, though it may take some time. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.